Okay, today we're doing something on the Macan. As you may or may not know, this is my fairly new Porsche Macan. We traded in the Cayenne from my previous videos because it was getting high in mileage, and we found this really low mileage Macan for a great deal. I've always wanted a Macan. I love the Macan. My favorite thing about it is the fact that there's no hood. This whole side panel and everything lifts up as one unit, so there's no hood mark, which I think is really awesome. One of the biggest issues, which really isn't that big of an issue, on the Macans is these B, C, and D pillars. The material they used was just subpar and it started cracking. You see this a lot. It's a pretty common issue. I did look into getting some new ones of these. They're pretty easy to replace. You just pull the seal back and you take some screws out of here and they pop up. So that's what I was going to do. But they're actually kind of hard to find, these pillars. And you got to get 6 of them, so it's kind of a pain. I was going to wrap them in vinyl, and then I found, just looking around, there's on eBay and stuff, there's a kit to replace them. And then I even found there's a kit on TEMU to replace it that's even more affordable. So for less than 20 bucks, we got these, which are pretty nice. I'm going to show you how to install them and how nice they are. This one's already been done, and it kind of blew me away how good it was. I don't think my wrapping with vinyl would have even been that good. It's nice and shiny. You can see it even matches the color of the tinted glass, so I definitely recommend these. I'm going to show you how to install these. It's not too tricky, but there's one little trick to it. So what you want to do is you want to line it up with the part that you're installing. There are left and rights of these. And then, I did the top before, but what you want to do is, I think you want to do the bottom. Peel up the first inch, like that. And then it has to tuck below this lip. So let me get even less, more like ½ an inch. So we're going to tuck it down in here and then align it up top. Okay, now that we're aligned up top and we're tucked in behind this seal, we can press down the bottom, and then you can see it's still in place up here. Fold it back enough to grab the lip and pull the lip. And then as you're pulling, position it. And then there is even a piece of clear on top of it, so we can pull that down too. And it's just that easy. Push out, looks like there's some bubbles down here. We'll push those out. And look at that, much better. There, I was just like a ½ millimeter off, and I was able to peel it back and re-center it. So there, very happy with that. Next one, this one. Hold it in place. Let's get this started first because this is a pain. Okay, there. So we'll peel up the bottom ½ an inch. Let's put that back there, reposition this. That, tip it forward, grab the lip, double check. Peel the clear.
And boom goes the dynamite.
And look at that. That is so much better. It's one of the best $20 products I've purchased. I definitely recommend these. It's super simple. I don't even think it's really worth replacing these when you can get these for so cheap. So, hope this helped you. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. Check out some of my other videos on my Porsches and some other videos on cars here. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'll probably try to find a link for these and link it down in the comments. If you're not subscribed, give me a subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.